Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Talking about animal in the forest. Forests are teeming with a diverse array of animal life, each species playing a unique role in the ecosystem. These animals have adapted to their specific environments, forming intricate food webs and contributing to the overall balance of the forest ecosystem. Let's explore some of the fascinating animals that inhabit the forest. 1. Mammals. Deer. Often found grazing in clearings, deer are herbivores that play a crucial role in controlling plant populations. Bears. These omnivores can be found in various forest types and are essential for seed dispersal, as they consume a variety of fruits and nuts. Foxes and wolves. Predators like foxes and wolves help control herbivore populations, ensuring a balance in the ecosystem. 2. Birds. Owls. Nocturnal hunters. Owls are efficient predators that help control rodent populations in the forest. Woodpeckers. These birds play a vital role in maintaining healthy trees by foraging for insects and larvae beneath the bark. 3. Insects. Butterflies and bees. These pollinators are crucial for the reproduction of many plant species, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the forest. Ants. These social insects are ecosystem engineers, influencing soil structure and nutrient cycling. 4. Reptiles and amphibians. Frogs and salamanders. These amphibians are sensitive to environmental changes, making them important indicators of ecosystem health. Snakes and lizards. Predatory reptiles help control insect and small mammal populations. 5. Small mammals. Squirrels and chipmunks. These small rodents contribute to seed dispersal by caching and forgetting about seeds, allowing new plants to grow. Rabbits. Herbivores that influence plant growth and serve as prey for larger predators. 6. Large predators. Mountain lions and tigers, apex predators, help regulate the populations of herbivores, preventing overgrazing and promoting a healthier ecosystem. Wolverines. Known for their elusive nature, these carnivores contribute to biodiversity by controlling smaller mammal populations. The interconnectedness of these animals creates a delicate balance in the forest ecosystem. Human activities, such as deforestation and habitat destruction, can disrupt this balance, leading to detrimental effects on both animal populations and the overall health of the forest. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these diverse and vital habitats, ensuring the survival of the many species that call the forest home. Talking about mammals in the forest. While a detailed exploration of all mammalian species would require a vast amount of space, I'll provide a comprehensive overview of mammals, touching upon their classification, characteristics, adaptations, ecological roles, and some notable examples. Keep in mind that this discussion will be broad, and specific details about certain mammalian species may not be covered extensively. Introduction to mammals. A. Classification and diversity. Mammals belong to the class Mammalia, which is characterized by several key features, including mammary glands that produce milk to nourish their young, hair or fur covering the body, and a warm-blooded metabolism. The class Mammalia is further divided into several subclasses, orders, families, genera, and species, reflecting the incredible diversity of mammalian life on Earth. B. Key characteristics. 1. Mammary glands and milk production. One of the defining features of mammals is the presence of mammary glands, specialized organs that produce milk to nourish the young. 2. Hair or fur. Most mammals have some form of hair or fur covering their bodies. This feature serves various purposes, including insulation, camouflage, and sensory functions. 3. Warm-blooded metabolism. Mammals are endothermic or warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their internal body temperature. This adaptation allows them to thrive in a wide range of environments. 4. Live birth and placenta. While some mammals lay eggs, monotremes like platypus and echidna most give birth to live young. Many mammals also have a placenta, facilitating nutrient exchange between the mother and developing offspring. 5. Vertebrate structure. Mammals have a well-developed vertebrate structure, with a backbone or spine that supports their bodies. This provides stability and allows for a wide range of movements. 2. Adaptations of mammals. A. Specialized limbs and locomotion. 1. Quadrupedalism. Most mammals are quadrupeds, meaning they walk on four limbs. This is a common adaptation for efficient movement on land. 2. Bipedalism. Some mammals, like humans and certain primates, have adapted to walking on two limbs. Bipedalism has allowed for a range of activities, from tool use to complex social interactions. B. Sensory adaptations. 1. Sight, smell, and hearing. Mammals often have well-developed senses, with adaptations for keen eyesight, acute sense of smell, and sensitive hearing. These adaptations aid in finding food, avoiding predators, and communicating with conspecifics. 2. Echolocation. Certain mammals, such as bats and some whales, have evolved the ability of echolocation, using sound waves to navigate and locate prey in their environments. C. Reproductive strategies. 1. Parental care. Many mammals exhibit parental care, with varying degrees of investment in raising offspring. This can include nursing, protection, and teaching essential survival skills. 2. Social structures. Mammals display diverse social structures, ranging from solitary individuals to complex societies. Social interactions often serve purposes such as protection, cooperation in hunting, and mating. 3. Ecological roles of mammals. A. Herbivores. 1. Grazers and browsers. Herbivorous mammals play a crucial role in shaping ecosystems by influencing plant growth. Grazers consume grasses, while browsers feed on leaves, twigs, and shrubs. 2. Seed dispersal. Some herbivores aid in seed dispersal by consuming fruits and excreting seeds in different locations, contributing to the spread of plant species. B. Carnivores. 1. Apex predators. Carnivorous mammals, especially apex predators, regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. 2. Scavengers. Scavenging mammals play a vital role in cleaning ecosystems by consuming carrion, helping to prevent the spread of disease. C. Omnivores. 1. Adaptability. Omnivorous mammals are adaptable to a wide range of diets, incorporating both plant and animal matter. This adaptability often contributes to their ecological success. D. Ecosystem engineers. 1. Burrowers and builders. Some mammals, like beavers and prairie dogs, are ecosystem engineers. They modify their habitats by digging burrows or building structures, influencing the landscape and providing homes for other species. 4. Notable examples of mammals. A. Marine mammals. 1. Whales and dolphins. Cetaceans, including whales and dolphins, are well adapted to aquatic life. They exhibit complex behaviors, communication, and migration patterns. 2. Seals and sea lions. Pinnipeds, such as seals and sea lions, are semi-aquatic mammals with specialized adaptations for both marine and terrestrial environments. B. Primates. 1. Great apes. Great apes, including chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans, are highly intelligent primates known for their complex social structures and tool use. 2. Humans. Homo sapiens, or modern humans, have achieved remarkable advancements in technology, culture, and society. The ability to reason, communicate, and manipulate the environment has propelled humans to dominate diverse ecosystems. C. Marsupials. 1. Kangaroos and koalas. Marsupials, found mainly in Australia and nearby regions, give birth to relatively undeveloped young, which then continue to develop in a pouch. Kangaroos are well-known hoppers, while koalas are arboreal marsupials. D. Rodents. 1. Beavers and squirrels. Rodents are a diverse group of mammals, and among them, beavers are known for their dam-building activities, shaping aquatic habitats. Squirrels, on the other hand, contribute to seed dispersal and tree health. E. Carnivores. 1. Big cats. Lions, tigers, leopards, and cheetahs are examples of large carnivores with specialized adaptations for hunting. They play a crucial role in controlling herbivore populations. 2. Canids, wolves, foxes, and domestic dogs belong to the canid family. They exhibit social behavior and are known for their hunting prowess. F. Insectivores. 1. Hedgehogs and shrews. Insectivorous mammals, like hedgehogs and shrews, feed primarily on insects and other invertebrates. They contribute to pest control in various ecosystems. V. Conservation challenges. A. Threats to mammals. 1. Habitat loss, deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion pose significant threats to mammalian habitats. 2. Climate change. Altered climate patterns affect the distribution and behavior of many mammalian species, leading to shifts in ecosystems. 3. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Hunting for fur, body parts, or as trophies, along with the illegal wildlife trade, poses severe threats to many mammal species. B. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas, such as national parks and reserves, helps conserve critical habitats for mammals. 2. Research and monitoring. Scientific research and monitoring programs provide essential data for understanding mammalian ecology, behavior, and population dynamics. 3. Community involvement. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts ensures that conservation strategies are sustainable and consider the needs of both humans and wildlife. 4. Legislation and enforcement. Enacting and enforcing laws against poaching and illegal trade are critical for the protection of endangered mammal species. 6. Conclusion. Mammals are a diverse and fascinating group of animals that have evolved to inhabit nearly every corner of the earth. From the smallest shrews to the largest whales, mammals exhibit a remarkable array of adaptations, behaviors, and ecological roles. Understanding and appreciating the importance of mammals in ecosystems is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. As humans continue to impact the environment, it becomes increasingly imperative to balance our needs with the conservation of these extraordinary creatures, ensuring a sustainable future for all.